5 habits that make women obsess over you. The key to making a girl obsessed with you is to first understand how she thinks. Most guys get so caught up with getting a girl to like them that they forget one simple fact. Girls don't think the same way as guys, and if you want her to desire or think of you, you have to learn what makes her tick. The first step to doing this is to take the attention away from yourself. It isn't about you, it's about her. Don't think of what you want from her. Think of what she wants from you. Laying this mental foundation will give you a better feel for what you need to do to get a girl obsessed with you. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Hello and welcome to Still Mentality, where future billionaires come to get inspired. Here we talk about business, entrepreneurship, personal development, psychology, money, success, and much more. But first, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are interested and activate the notification bell. We publish every weekend one video to help you become the best version of yourself. 5 habits that make women obsess over you. 1. Give her a little push. The truth is, girls often need a little push to realize that they like you. Sometimes they are so distracted by other things and may not just expect you to like them. So you may need to show them what they are missing and flirt with a friend. It's a risky move and sometimes it may not play off, but it's all about how you go on executing it. First of all, don't go over the top with your flirting or be too sleazy. You still want to be a gentleman, especially if you're trying to impress her. Secondly, never pick a best friend. You can choose a close friend. Now, the best way to flirt is to talk to this person a lot and make her laugh. Avoid touching or any sexual flirting, as this will do the opposite effect and push your girl away. You want to give her you want to give her friend more attention than her, so then she thinks, "Hey, I want his attention. I think I like him. How dare he?" And shortly after that, you might realize that she is in fact trying hard to be your girlfriend, and she starts obsessing over you. 2. Live a life you absolutely love. When you are in a relationship with someone, your lives merge into one, and it's easy to suffocate each other. This is why you both need to have a healthy and satisfying life outside your relationship. Besides making you spend more time apart, having a life you love will also make you appear high value to a woman. When the girl starts thinking about whether she likes you, she'll be looking at your life and thinking, what has he achieved? Or does he have a nice life? When a guy has done things he's proud of, it's very attractive and it makes the girl secure about the future. 3. How to create an air of mystery. Be a little bit mysterious and hold back on some details. When guys open up too quickly and tell girls everything about themselves, things can quickly become boring. If you are going to be in a relationship with someone long term, it's great to keep learning things about each other along the way. This will leave room for some mystery and suspense, all of which will only intensify her desire for you. Holding some things back before you will make you seem mysterious and keep the girl guessing. She's going to start wondering what else there is to you. You could tell her how half about something, but then keep the other half to yourself. For example, you can say, "Yeah, I do work in marketing," but then you don't tell her that you own your own business. And then a few days later, you slip it into a conversation. Boom. 4. Establish yourself as a high value. So many guys think that girls will like them more if they show off the things that they own, like the sports car and the Rolex watch. Indeed, sometimes, yeah, this does pique a girl's interest, but it's not important. Instead of showing off, you want to be different and stand up from the crowd. And one of the best ways to do this is by talking about your vision. Take Steve Jobs, for instance, the guy who invented Apple. He was a visionary. He always spoke about things he wanted to make or saw existing in the future. And then he did it. He was extremely rich, but he also told others about the vision he had for Apple. Now girls find this type of determination and hard work sexy and attractive. So if you want a girl to obsess over you, tell her about your vision for your future and how you are going to get there. Instead of just talking about your fancy sports car or your high school achievements, live a life that you are proud of. Before you meet a girl, you should focus on creating a life that you're proud of. 5. How to trigger her interest. Most girls get lots of attention from guys who give them compliments or ask them out on dates all the time. It's flattering and girls like this attention, but but it can get too much. And over time, it has become just another thing they expect from guys and they're used to it. So when they meet a guy who does not show them this type of attention and treat them like they would treat everyone else, suddenly they become interested. This is because they love attention and they're so used to getting it. But when they stop having it, they want it and it becomes a challenge to get more of it. So they work harder for your attention and obsess over how to get it. It's easy to play hard to get. Just don't force yourself over them or pay them endless compliments. Instead, just talk to them like you would talk to anyone else and give them the same amount of attention that you give everyone else. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video and I hope you find it interesting. If you have any comments or feedback regarding this video, please leave a comment below. We love to hear from our subscribers as it helps us create new content.